We are not the killers. We are not the murderers. To all those national news channels, you have been barking, you have been howling, and you have been speaking, you have been leveling our state through your statement that has been stated that Meghalaya is a prone area. I strongly condemn you. I, on behalf of the local person of Sohra, I demand to all the national news who have been falsely accused of our state as a crime-prone area. Now the truth has come out that we, the people of Meghalaya, we, the people of Sohra, we haven't committed that crime. We are not the killers. We are not the murderers.